Hello students, today we shall do the revision. Lesson 12, Robin runs away to the woods. We hope you are remembering the story what I have told you in the previous class. The summary of the story is like this. An outlaw. Robin Hood was an outlaw. So an outlaw means one who is punished and does not get the protection of a law is called an outlaw. So in this chapter we see who is an outlaw. Here Robin Hood, who was an outlaw. So rich man and sheriff hated Robin Hood. So he was an outlaw, and also the rich men and his companions were hated. They did not like Robin Hood. So to catch Robin Hood, they have decided the sheriff declared a shooting match, okay, and also sheriff declared a big prize to find out the best shooter, and also he declared a prize, kept a shooting match, in fact to catch Robin Hood. So king's men were eating and drinking under an oak tree in the Sherwood forest. When you read the chapter, we see that. And Robin Hood was passing, he saw some of the men were eating and drinking. They were the king's men. They were sitting under an oak tree, eating and drinking. So they had a bet, and what was the bet? To kill a deer. So Robin killed a deer and won the belt in the Sherwood forest. Won a bet in the Sherwood forest. The man said to get out of the place if he did not want to be caught. By the time he won the bet, they have changed the plan, and they told him, now you have to run away from this particular place. Otherwise, you will be caught by the king's men, and we will be reaching you to the king's palace, and he will kill you. So if you don't want that, you have to run away from this particular place. The man shot an arrow at Robin, and finally we see that they are chasing Robin from the forest. Okay, so the last we see that Robin lived in the forest with a group of men. More and more people joined him. They never hurt women or children. But the sheriff and the bishop wanted to catch Robin. So the Robin Hood ran away to the forest, and he lived there. He had so many companions, okay, and also he was a good man, he helped the poor and needy, and also so many people joined him. But the sheriff and the men grew in anger. They wanted to catch Robin Hood by all means. That is the end of the chapter. Okay. So in the word meaning, when we see it, set out means start. Brag means boast. Theos means go through. Turn up means arrive. Okay. So filling the blanks, you have to learn the answers of that. That is, the first filling the blanks is in the Sherwood forest. There dash an outlaw named Robin Hood. So there lived an outlaw named Robin Hood. Okay. So Robin Hood was an outlaw. The sheriff dashed a prize. Sheriff declared a prize. Nobody was allowed to shoot an animal in the forest. What was the announcement of the king? Nobody was allowed to shoot the animals in the forest. Robin Hood told them that he was going to the sheriff shooting match. Where he was going? He was going to the shooting match. Robin ran as fast as he could. It's a similitude. Robin ran as fast as he could. So answer the following questions. I have told you to learn the question answer. I hope you might have learned the question answer. The first question, who is an outlaw? In the chapter we see that Robin Hood was an outlaw. So what do you mean by an outlaw? So outlaw, one who is punished and doesn't get the protection of law is called an outlaw. So who is an outlaw? One who is punished and does not get the protection of a law is called an outlaw. The second question is, who hated Robin Hood? Who did not like Robin Hood? The rich man and sheriff hated Robin Hood. Who hated Robin Hood? The rich man and sheriff. The third question is, what did the sheriff do to find out the best shooter? What was the plan he made to find out the shooter? The sheriff declared a big prize to find out the best shooter. He declared a big prize for the best shooter. Question number 5. What were king's men doing in the Sherwood forest? What were the king's men doing? The king's men were eating and drinking under an oak tree in the Sherwood forest. Okay, what they were doing? They were eating and drinking under an oak tree in the Sherwood forest. The next one is, how did Robin win the bet in the Sherwood forest? What was the bet and how he won the bet? Robin killed a deer and won the bet. He was supposed to kill a deer. That was the bet among Robin Hood and the king's men. So he won the bet and won the prize. The next one is, what did the men say when Robin demanded the prize? The men said to get out of the place if he is not wanting to be caught. What was the man do when Robin walked away? The man shot an arrow at Robin. So anyway, he was not hurt by the arrow. He ran to the forest. We see that he lived there. He had collected many more people, and so many people loved him. And also, finally, the anger grew in the heart of sheriff and his men, and they were planning to catch the Robin Hood. Okay, and when you have to read the chapter, please read it properly, the chapter, and understand it and write the question answers. And you have to learn the exercise part also here. And we have told that the exercise 4, that complete the following table. The comparison, positive, comparative and superlative degree. Okay. So that also you will be learning it. The first degree is positive degree. Second is comparative and the superlative degree. Okay. Highest degree is the superlative degree. So you can say some of the word from here. Rich, richer, richest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Okay. The next exercise is making the following box uncountable nouns and countable nouns. Okay. A drop of water. Is it a countable noun? No. It is an uncountable noun. A bottle of milk is an uncountable noun. A piece of cloth. It's a countable noun. A sheet of paper, a packet of biscuits. Okay. Make the following uncountable nouns countable by using the words given. That's the question which is given here. Okay, students. So you will be doing the exercises and the given question answer and the word meaning and learn properly for the exam. Thank you, students, for listening.